This is the start of something new. Get it? Wood. Wood starts the, yeah. Get out of the chest. Hey, you guys. We are back with Attack of the B Team. And yes. Yes. Yeah. Hi. Cool sounding things. This, okay, so I guess that one's just staying there. Yeah, I can do it one, you know. It has its freedom to stay there, I guess. We need you. And you. And there. That's the stairway. Up into the house. Ooh, I should make... Do I have my saw? I don't. I don't have my saw. That's not right! Ah! Isn't it weird that this is full of so many ores and I don't have any coal? I think that's weird. So let's make some charcoal. I don't like odd numbers. Okay. My saw. Good. Yeah. We want... Yeah, sure. You, I guess, I think. I don't know. Oh, we need a lot of you. Okay. Oh, there goes my saw. Okay. I'm digging it. Yay, I dug it. I am proud. Perfect. Oh, I like it. I love the sound. I don't know why, I just do. Let's see, we want... Okay. We want Z Carpenter's blocks. Thank you, thank you. And Z fence. This is good, that is, yes. Okay. Now, we can make like a sort of hidden door, but I don't think I want to. I don't know. I just don't think I want to. Holy, can I put these on? Does that? No. Do I like that? I don't know. We have to dress that up as something. let's dress it up like sure. And then I don't have my hammer with me. So there's the front door. Yep, that's the front door. And I love it very much. Hi. Am I supposed to hit it with an empty hand? Oh. Give me all this. Take it. Can I bottle it? I bet you I could. I hope so. Give me this. Aww. Stupid. Let's go outside. And plant these gorgeous trees that I love because they're gorgeous. I actually just love the particle effects of them. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I count that right? No. That there. Perfect, I guess. And then just one for fun over here. And then the dark sapling. Right there, I guess. Sure, yeah. And then these pretty ones. There. Hi, Pikachu. So. I think I'm gonna plant my dragon egg. I don't know. I think I might do that in the next episode. I want to know what you guys think. You guys think, yeah, you should plant it. Or, I don't think we're ready for Toothless right now. I know, I made the hollow cave thing. Thank you. Because I have 3. So I think I'm going to make a water dragon, then a regular dragon, and then, I don't know about a fire dragon. Like an Aether dragon would be cool. I want you guys to pick. But for now, I think this is where the episode shall end. Thank you guys for watching this. Yeah. And I don't know why I said and. Leave a like down below. Leave a comment down below. And a like. And please, oh please subscribe to the channel. And yes. Thank you for watching, you guys. Love you guys. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.